right, let's take a look here at some polynomial long division. This is number 13. You will notice that my dividend is p cubed plus 2p squared plus p minus 13. I put it on the inside here. I'm going to divide by my divisor, which happens to be p minus 2. Okay, so let's get right to it. We need to see how many times p goes into p cubed. It happens to be p squared times because there are no coefficients, and p squared times p is p cubed. I'm going to take that p squared, I'm going to put it in the p squared place value right above this 2p squared. So I have p squared times p, I get p cubed. I have p squared times negative 2, so I'm distributing it. I get minus 2p squared. Now, what we're going to do is we are going to subtract these. So we're going to flip our signs. We're going to make that a negative and this a positive, okay? Once we do that, it's because we subtracted, so we distributed the minus into both terms up down there. P cubed minus p cubed is 0. 2p squared plus 2p squared is 4p squared. Alright, so now we need to bring this p down so that we have the same number of terms as our divisor. P goes into 4p squared, 4p times, and that's positive, so I put a plus. 4p times p is 4p squared. And 4p times negative 2 is negative 8p. I have to subtract, so I'm going to make this minus 4p, but a plus 8p. We end up with 0 in the front, but we end up with 9p down here. We once again need to carry down our minus 13. So we've got our minus 13 going on here, and we end up, let's see, bring this down a little bit. All right, we are going to end up with that minus 13. P goes into 9p. 9 times, so we do times 9, we get 9p minus 18, alright, which is going to become negative 19p plus 18. We end up with a 5 left over. The 5 is our remainder. We are going to take that remainder, we are going to divide it by the divisor. Now, as you notice up here, we have run out of room at the top. We have divided everything, but we still have 5 left over. Now, we aren't going to make decimals when we have polynomials. What we are going to do, we're going to leave this, but we're going to put the 5 as the numerator. We're going to take our divisor and make it our denominator, p minus 2. So we end up with p squared plus 4p plus 9 plus 5 over p minus 2. And that's it.